Motorsport is a very male-dominated sport. Being one of few females in there feels amazing, and I think F1 Academy is doing an amazing job at, bringing the younger generation of females into motorsport. Females in any sport are kind of inspiring younger females to pursue their dream then in any kind of sporting activity. It's amazing to see. When I was younger, the main two sports that I did was show jumping and ski racing, and then I transitioned from those to motorsport in 2022 then. My dad did rallying when I was younger, so I was always watching him. He was on the telly in the house, so I was always kind of watching motorsport. And my brother had like a quad and a motorbike when he was younger, so I was kind of always around engines and cars. And then I decided to make the transition into motorsport myself. There's quite a lot of different avenues you can go down in motorsport. Obviously the ultimate goal is Formula 1 like every other driver. I was competing in British F4. My goal was F1 Academy for the following year. Had a good start to the season and been approached. Yeah, I would have said scouted, signed the contract then for the following year, so it was a good feeling when I got signed. McLaren helped me quite a lot with media training, fitness. It's nice to have a driver's perspective as well on things. Competing in motorsport and an F1 Academy, you're travelling all over the world, so it's always nice to come home after you've travelled to so many different places. You come back and you drive up to the house, it's all mountains and nice and green, and then when I come back down here, it's always nice just to spend time with my horse and just relax. Horses have always been a part of me growing up, going to rides, so yeah, I was grateful to have Vera and be able to go out and show jump on her. Growing up with an older brother and 3 older cousins, I've always had to be competitive, to be honest. Everything I did growing up was always a competition. So I've always had that competitive side in me, and then being able to compete on my horse, show jumping in motorsport is what I think I'm, in my career, that's what I need to do, is compete in doing something. Whatever you want to do, if it's motorsport or any kind of sport, go give it a go, because you don't know if you're going to like it until you try it. But also take any opportunities that come your way, because you never know if they're going to come back around again. So you just got to kind of grab it with both hands.